So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable auto emptying the dust bag on your DREAME X50 Ultra. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then go to Dock Settings and you'll find Auto Empty. You can change the frequency or disable it, and low frequency means it will auto empty after 3 cleaning tasks. High frequency may mean that it may even check the dust box during cleaning and return to the dock to auto empty, which is suitable for homes with pets or multiple carpets. And standard, which is suitable for daily cleaning, will auto empty after returning to the dock each time. And off means it won't be emptying, so you may need to either empty manually by pressing in the app, or just take the robot out and empty the dustbin yourself. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.